Stress relief is essential for maintaining mental and physical well-being. Here are some effective ways to manage and reduce stress. 1. Deep breathing. Practice deep breathing exercises to calm your mind and body. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. 2. Exercise. Regular physical activity, such as walking, jogging, yoga, or dancing, can help reduce stress hormones and promote relaxation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. 3. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness meditation or guided imagery to focus your attention and quiet your mind. This can help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm and balance. 4. Healthy lifestyle. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and avoiding excessive alcohol, caffeine, and tobacco. Taking care of your body can help you better cope with stress. 5. Stay connected. Spend time with friends and family who provide support and encouragement. Social connections can help reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation and provide a buffer against stress. 6. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to additional responsibilities or commitments when you're feeling overwhelmed. Setting boundaries can help you manage your workload and prioritize self-care. 7. Engage in hobbies. Take time to engage in activities you enjoy, whether it's reading, gardening, painting, or playing music. Hobbies can provide a sense of pleasure and accomplishment, helping to relieve stress. 8. Seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out to a trusted friend, family member, or mental health professional if you're struggling to cope with stress. Talking about your feelings can provide perspective and support. 9. Time management. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps and prioritize your responsibilities. Effective time management can help reduce feelings of being overwhelmed and increase your sense of control. 10. Laugh and have fun. Laughter is a great way to reduce stress and boost your mood. Watch a funny movie, spend time with playful pets, or engage in activities that make you laugh. Remember that what works for one person may not work for another, so it's essential to find stress relief techniques that resonate with you personally. Experiment with different strategies and incorporate them into your daily routine to help manage stress effectively.